Think you can stop all your auto payments in one day? Let's find out. Join Money Smart Basics as we tackle the ultimate one-day challenge. With a few clicks and a bit of strategy, we'll take control of our finances together. Ready to dive in? Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay to the end to receive a bonus tip. Automatic payments are great. They offer a seamless way to manage your finances without the constant worry of missing a due date. They make paying bills easy and stress-free. Imagine not having to remember multiple due dates or manually making payments every month. You set it up once and the money comes out of your account automatically. This simple setup can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. This means you never miss a payment. No late fees. Late fees can add up quickly and become a financial burden, but with automatic payments, you can avoid them entirely. Plus, it helps you build good credit. Consistently making on-time payments is one of the key factors in maintaining a good credit score. Automatic payments are convenient for recurring bills. Whether it's your monthly rent, car payment, or utility bills, you can set it and forget it. These include things like your rent, which is often one of the largest monthly expenses for many people. Car payment, which is crucial for maintaining your vehicle, and utilities, which keep your home running smoothly. They can also be used for subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify. These small recurring charges can be easily managed with automatic payments. Overall, automatic payments save you time and hassle. You can focus on more important things in life rather than worrying about bills. They give you peace of mind. Knowing that your bills are taken care of allows you to relax and enjoy your day without financial stress. Setting up automatic payments is usually straightforward. Most banks and service providers offer easy-to-follow instructions on their websites or apps. It's also a good idea to review your automatic payments periodically. Make sure they are still aligned with your current financial situation and needs. Keeping track of your automatic payments can help you stay on top of your budget and avoid any unexpected overdrafts. With automatic payments, you can also set financial goals and work towards them without the distraction of manual bill payments. This frees up your time to do the things you love, whether it's spending time with family, pursuing a hobby, or simply relaxing. In conclusion, automatic payments are a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances. They offer numerous benefits, from avoiding late fees to building good credit and saving time. So why not take advantage of this convenient way to pay? Set up your automatic payments today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your bills are taken care of. Sometimes you might need to stop an automatic payment. Automatic payments can be convenient, but there are times when they no longer serve your needs or even become a financial burden. This could be for several reasons. It's important to regularly review your automatic payments to ensure they align with your current financial situation and goals. Maybe you're no longer using a service. Subscriptions can pile up, and you might find that you're paying for things you don't use anymore. For example, you might cancel your gym membership. If you haven't been to the gym in months, it might be time to stop those payments and save some money. You wouldn't want payments to continue. Canceling unused services can free up funds for other priorities or savings. Another reason is changing bank accounts. When you switch banks, it's crucial to update your payment information to avoid missed payments and potential fees. When you close an account, you need to update your payment information. This ensures that your automatic payments continue without interruption. Finally, you might simply want to switch payment methods. Different payment methods can offer various benefits, such as better tracking or rewards. Perhaps you want to start using a credit card to earn rewards. Many credit cards offer points, cashback, or other incentives that can be beneficial. Reviewing your subscriptions regularly can help you identify which ones are worth keeping and which ones you can do without. Keeping track of your expenses is essential for maintaining a healthy budget. Automatic payments can sometimes make it easy to lose sight of where your money is going. Setting reminders to review your automatic payments can help you stay on top of your finances. Regular reviews can prevent unnecessary spending. Discussing your automatic payments with a financial advisor or a trusted partner can provide additional insights and help you make informed decisions. Taking control of your automatic payments can lead to financial peace of mind. By stopping payments for services you no longer use, updating your payment methods, and regularly reviewing your expenses, you can ensure that your money is working for you. Remember, your financial health is in your hands. Regularly reviewing and managing your automatic payments is a simple yet effective way to stay financially fit. Stopping automatic payments is easy. Here's how. First, contact the company. Call or email the company you're paying. Tell them you want to stop automatic payments. Next, provide account information. Have your account details ready. They will need this to identify you. Then confirm cancellation. Ask for confirmation in writing. This protects you if there are any issues. Finally, check your bank statements. Keep an eye on your account. Make sure the payments have stopped. Can my bank stop automatic payments? Yes, your bank can help. They might require a written request. How long does it take to stop an automatic payment? It varies. It could take a few days or up to a billing cycle. What if I forget to cancel an automatic payment? Contact the company immediately. They might be able to issue a refund. Section 5. Closing your bank account. This is a significant step in managing your finances, and it's crucial to handle it with care. Don't forget your automatic payments. These are the lifelines of your financial ecosystem, ensuring that your bills are paid on time and your subscriptions remain active. Closing a bank account requires extra steps. It's not just about signing a form and walking away. There are several important considerations to keep in mind. You need to make sure all automatic payments are canceled or redirected. Otherwise, payments will fail, leading to late fees, service interruptions, and potential damage to your credit score. Start by making a list of all your automatic payments. This includes bills, subscriptions, and any other recurring charges. Think about your utility bills, streaming services, gym memberships, insurance premiums, and any other regular payments. Reviewing your credit card or bank statements can help you identify these recurring charges. Highlight each one to ensure you don't miss any. Contact each company and inform them about the account closure. This might involve making phone calls, sending emails, or even visiting their websites to update your payment information. Provide them with the new payment information. This could be a new bank account or a different payment method like a credit card. Remember, it's your responsibility to ensure a smooth transition. Double-check that all changes have been processed correctly to avoid any disruptions. Don't leave it to the last minute. Set reminders on your smartphone or mark your calendar to ensure you complete these tasks well before closing your account. Consulting with a financial advisor can also be beneficial. They can provide guidance on managing your automatic payments and ensuring nothing is overlooked. Organize your financial documents and use tools like budgeting apps to keep track of your payments. This can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid any surprises. It's also a good idea to check your credit report after closing your account. This can help you identify any issues that may arise from missed payments or other errors. Once you've completed all these steps, you can close your bank account with confidence. You'll have peace of mind knowing that your automatic payments are taken care of and your financial health is protected. Taking the time to manage your automatic payments properly can save you a lot of stress and hassle in the long run. It's a small effort that can make a big difference. So remember, when closing your bank account, don't forget your automatic payments. It's a crucial step in ensuring a smooth financial transition. Section 6. Stop payment orders, your last line of defense. A stop payment order is a request to your bank. It tells them to stop a specific payment from going through. This is useful if you've authorized a payment and then change your mind. It can also help in cases of fraud or disputes. Keep in mind that stop payment orders have fees. They are also not always guaranteed to work. Section 7. Think twice before canceling. Potential downsides to consider. While canceling automatic payments can be beneficial, there are potential downsides. First, you might forget to make a payment manually. This can lead to late fees and penalties. It can also hurt your credit score. Second, you might miss out on discounts. Some companies offer lower prices for using autopay. Before canceling, weigh the pros and cons. Make sure it's the right decision for you. Section 8. Negotiating bills. Like Approcan apps help you save, bill negotiation apps are becoming increasingly popular. These apps help you lower your monthly bills. They do the negotiating for you. The apps work by analyzing your spending. They identify areas where you might be able to save. Some apps even offer a money-back guarantee. However, be cautious. Not all apps are created equal. Some charge high fees or have hidden costs. Section 9. In conclusion, take control of your automatic payments. Automatic payments can be a valuable tool for managing your finances. However, it's crucial to understand how they work. Remember, you have the right to stop automatic payments at any time. Follow the steps outlined in this guide. By taking control of your automatic payments, you can avoid unwanted charges and maintain a healthy financial life. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Sick of those sneaky auto payments? Here's how to stop them easily. First, log into your online banking account. Next, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. Find the automatic payment you want to stop and select it. Finally, follow the prompts to cancel the payment. It's that simple. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.